Hello everyone. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing fine. Welcome again to Evangelina's Craft. Here is another project that I said I was going to make for a co-worker of mine who wants me to do some birthday cards, and I am here to show you the second card that I'm gonna make is a unicorn card, but this time I'm not gonna make a seafold card because I don't have enough materials to use for a unicorn card. You know, my embellishments for unicorn is just limited. So what I intend to do is, these are the possible materials that I'm gonna make or I'm gonna use. I bought this from the Dollar Tree, and I have some of these cutouts which I bought in Hobby Lobby, and I was able to purchase this at 50% off. And here is also a possible die cutouts that I may use, and here are the designs of it. You know, I will just try to see if I can use some of it. Let me also show you the die cuts of this unicorn. I most probably will be using all this 4 of this. We'll try to see if I can use them. And then some stickers also for happy birthday from the Dollar Tree, and also this one I might be using them also. And of course I'm going to use this poppy paper embellishments flowers, which I bought in Hobby Lobby a long time ago, and it's on sale. It's on clearance sale. And the kind of die cut I'm gonna use is these tags, these giant big tags, and I purchased this from AliExpress. I am going to share with you the link of this one, okay? I think I may able to, because I just purchased that, you know, not that long, so I might still find the link of it. And I already pre-cut some of the papers that I'll be using. I think I'm gonna use this, and this is how I cut it, and I make it into a card. You know, you just, when you try to cut this one in your die cut machine, don't put everything on the paper at the edge. Try to leave a little, like something like that, and then when you cut it, it's gonna be this way. So this is gonna be my card, or my base card, and this is gonna be my pattern paper. Okay, so what I intend, I'll just to give you an idea, I would put my rainbow here, you know. Let's try to get it out. Okay, I will try to put my rainbow there. I think it will be nice. And then I will get one of my die cuts. I intend to use this, let's just move this one over here so that you could see my idea of how I'm gonna make the card. Get this die cut unicorn, maybe put it on here. You can see it, guys. I hope you can. And then just, you know, adhere it there. And then I could use also this other one, this other die cut, and maybe put it there that way, something like that, you know. And use this flowers. Okay, get these flowers. This is what's left from what I bought before, and just sort of, you know, scatter the flowers here, that you know, distribute them that way there. And I think that would be a very nice card, don't you think so? So anyway, I will be back and I'll show you the card that I made out of this. Okay, see you later. Hello everyone, I'm back, and here is the card that I made of the unicorn card. So that's how it is. So I put some blings on it, some charms. I put a flower on the unicorn and some flowers over the rainbow. And I put some those small confettis. And when you open the card, this is how the card gonna look like inside. And there's a happy birthday thing there where they can put the message. And so that's it. That's the unicorn I made for my co-worker. So I already accomplished 2 cards for her. So hope you like what I made. And until my next project, we're gonna make more cards. See you again. Bye for now.